My family had the spirit inside me. I set the house on fire as well.
I think it was about 3 years ago. I was about 31 years old, and I didn't sort of feel well in like normal, like how I did up to that age. But I was going through a lot of issues with my family, and then sometimes you think, well, is it mental health or is it just what I'm going through?
Stresses and strains.
Yeah, like it's like sometimes you don't know the difference because you think, is it just because I'm going through this and I'm going through that, or it's the death of a friend or a family member. Is it that, or is it just that because I'm mentally unwell? So I went to my doctor and I talked to them and they got me some counselling and then they put me on antidepressants as well at the time.
I was scared, and I was, I think, immature in a sense that I didn't know how to manage this or how to do that. So now I started getting like depression because it was homesickness as well, and because I have no family or friends here. So suddenly I just felt myself very lonely, and then I saw that it was a big challenge.
In 2005, September, I started hearing voices. I took a year out of university, and by 2006, the hospital, I went to a GP's to tell him that I was hearing voices, and as a result, he gave me some depression / calming tablets. I took them for a week or two, and after that, I was admitted to hospital.
Yeah, a lot of moments actually. I felt really self-conscious, anxious, depressed about things that I felt like I could not talk about. So I felt like there was a lot of pressure inside me and thoughts and feelings that I couldn't communicate. So, and I felt that intensity far more than I felt like I had the capacity to cope with.
It was because of drink. It was because of alcohol. Then I got admitted into hospital. They called it drug psychosis, but now I suffer from schizophrenia. That's what they diagnosed me as now. But before, when I first went in the hospital, it was drug psychosis, and then after that, it's become now they say I'm schizophrenic, and if I don't take my tablet, and if I do other drugs, it won't do me good.
I never recognised it myself. It was family who thought that I was in need of medical attention.
So what were the symptoms?
I think repetitive sort of thinking, behaviour, speaking as well, like when you say something and you keep repeating it, or it's just because whatever's running through your mind, you might just say it, but then other people will realise, hang on a minute, you're repeating yourself, or why do you keep repeating yourself? But you're only saying what's in your head though. Just general feeling unwell, lethargicness, stress and headaches, migraines, all of it in one.
So how did you know you were suffering? What were the
I
signs?
didn't know. My family had the spirit inside me. I set the house on fire as well.
Right.
But then my mum got ill. Then when I was then they admitted, then my sisters were scared to leave me at home. So they got me admitted to lymphoma.
I had been given a diagnosis of schizophrenia and later on bipolar, which I have at the present moment come off all medication, and I'm doing very, very well as a result. And the only difference is I've started to have a positive attitude towards life.
When you were going through that, did you think that you just had to cope, or did you reach a point where you thought, I need some help?
I did not want to discuss the sensitive issues that I was having to deal with, and I didn't know how to communicate them, so I just kept them inside for a very long time. And I was actually encouraged not to talk, to deal with it silently, I guess. So I
To
did.
ignore it?
To not to focus on it too much, and to just ignore it.